Alrighty, thank you so much for joining this course, and I am so happy that you have tied your belt and you're going to start your new business. Now, what is a business? A business is where you help anyone solve their problem and you charge a fee for solving that problem. Now, step number one, in my opinion, is your intention. Setting the intention out there, letting yourself know, letting your conscious and subconscious know that you want to start a business and you are ready for this. Letting yourself know that you are going to involve yourself in this new venture. Letting yourself know that you are ready to start your new business and change your life. So that is step number one. Very, very simple. Make an intention and take the step number one. What's the step number one? Just take your foot, come one step forward, and that's about it. That's your step number one.